Yeah, at all. Hey guys, I'm taking a lunch break and I'm going to this park by my house to work out. It's a long story, but basically I plan to work out at the gym, but I found out that with like COVID and everything, you have to book a spot like 2 days in advance, which I think is unbelievable because I cannot book 2 days in advance to know what time I want to go to the gym. So instead, I'm gonna just use what I have at home and do something. So I hope this park is open. It's a nice day, it's just incredibly windy. Hey guys, so I'm currently back home. Today was a little bit of a crazy day. For one, I had work today, so I was working, and then on my lunch break I ran out to go to the grocery store because Luna needed some more whole milk. She's not on formula anymore, and it was literally like a 20-minute trip, like down the block to the grocery store. Came back, everything was good, and then I get a text from my boss saying that this random phone number called him and says that they have my wallet. So basically, I had dropped my wallet at some point between the grocery store and home, and I didn't even know it. And I guess the person, the Good Samaritan that found it, was looking for a way to contact me, and they must have pulled out my business card and then called my boss. So it was like a funny experience. Like, I'm so grateful that they did. It was just kind of hectic and kind of scary that I had no idea that I had lost my wallet. The workday finished, and Thanksgiving is coming up this week, and we are going to be social distancing, but we are going to be spending it with my mother-in-law, who has recently been tested, so we know everything's good. But we wanted to go to Costco and Whole Foods to pick up a couple items for dinner. So I'll be making the mac and cheese. It's gonna be vegan mac and cheese. I'm really excited. I'll probably vlog it for you guys. And then we picked up some other stuff. We ended up getting out of the house really late. We have to travel into like a little bit into upstate New York to go to the grocery store, not in New York City. So we came back and we basically had to bring all our groceries up, and now it was past Luna's bedtime. So now I gave her a bath and Joel's putting her to bed, and I just ate, and now I have all this stuff like to put away, like literally all these groceries. So I'm gonna power through that, put away the groceries first. I might have to organize the fridge. It's been so long since I have, but it's just like something that's weighing me down, and the fridge is crazy. So I might organize the fridge as I put them away, and then clean up after that. So I'm organizing my fridge, and I thought I would share with you kind of my thought process whenever I organize the fridge. So there is a method to the madness. So I bought these like little fridge organizers. I'll show you them right now. And right now it looks crazy because I haven't been using them. Stuff is spilled out. This is disgusting, I know. But I promise you, it's not like this all the time. So I like these because instead of placing things randomly, I feel like they have a home, and I actually can like go to a place in my fridge and I know they're there. So what I'm gonna do, I'll show you guys when it's all done, but basically I'm gonna take like all these little random things and put them in the containers or in certain levels that make sense so that I can quickly get to things when I need them. down, I actually try to use a non-toxic cleaner. So I either use this one, which smells amazing, or I use the Better Life. They're both non-toxic, and I like to just go over this like sudsy mess so that it's a little bit more fresh and clean. Okay, so I'm finally finished with the fridge. So I kept coffee and drinks up here. I've got dairy on this level. Dairy because we only eat eggs. Well, eggs are not even dairy, honestly. But we have this cheese that's lactose free, this Forager cashew yogurt, and hummus. I put some vegan butter and vegan cheeses and vegan yogurt in here, vegan cream cheese. I've got fruits here, like little sauces, vegetable stock, garlic, miso, capers, olives, Beyond Burgers, sausage, chicken breast, and then breads in here. This one is actually free, so I might be able to add some more stuff in here, and then all this stuff on the side. So this will probably be where like our fresh veggies go when we restock on that. The thing about the fridge being organized is that I can finally see what we're missing. So I see that we need some fresh veggies. I also see that somehow we're out of all of our dairy-free milks. So these are for Luna to drink because they recommend whole milk for her. Fairlife is great. It's whole milk, but it also has like added vitamins and minerals. But we're out of almond milk or oat milk, which I don't know how we didn't notice that. We went to 2 different grocery stores today, 3 different grocery stores today. But that's okay, we will refill on that. And now I'm gonna put away the pantry items.
So when it's cold and dreary, oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me.
Hey guys, I hope you guys can hear me. Joelle's training a client in the background, but I'm getting ready to make a vegan mac and cheese for Thanksgiving dinner. These are the ingredients that I have here. So I have cans of unsweetened coconut milk, nutritional yeast, a bunch of seasonings, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and vegetable stock. I use 2 types of flour, the oat flour and all-purpose flour, vegan butter, and then I have a corn, brown rice, and quinoa elbow pasta. My lovely assistant, you okay? to make brownies. I got hot, that's why I took this off. But I decided that I was gonna make brownies from my cacao powder that I have. That's the oven telling me it's ready. So I didn't film every single thing, but basically what's in this bowl is eggs, cacao powder, flour, vegan butter, sugar, hemp seeds, and salt. Just to mix everything up. I feel like I like for it to be a little gritty. True cacao powder brownies. Go in and butter everything down. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this really great chocolatey mixture and I'm gonna pop, oops, this is gonna be messy. Okay guys, so I just finished washing everything that I used to cook and bake with. The brownies are almost done. When they're done, I'll pull them out. I was getting hungry, so I started nibbling at the mac and cheese. Right now, Joelle and Luna are taking a nap, and I'm actually extremely thirsty. It's so hot in here because I was cooking. So I might take a brownie or two when they're done and have some water or milk with it as a cheeky little snack. So otherwise, I think we might walk to his mom's house. I'm not sure. It's a nice day. Oh, the timer's about to go off. Let me. All right, so I think these brownies are actually ready. It'd be so good with like some ice cream. Oof. I'm messing one up so I can taste it. Yeah, this is so good. So I'm officially done cooking my part of Thanksgiving. I hope you guys are staying safe and choosing to socially distance this Thanksgiving. Like I said, my mother-in-law is the only person who will be joining for dinner who did get tested recently. We got tested when we came back from Dallas and we haven't literally gone anywhere really, so we're gonna be good. I can't wait to eat this delicious food. I think the best part about Thanksgiving is the leftovers, literally. Like, the day of is okay, but it's those leftovers that are delicious. It is the day after Thanksgiving and the weather is absolutely beautiful. I've been working this morning since around 7, but I'm stepping out for a quick lash appointment. I'm actually taking the train, which I have not taken the train. Oh, the weather is beautiful. Since literally February, but I do have my mask, I have my sanitizer, and it's a short ride, so I'm gonna be extra safe. I think I showed you guys my outfit, so I'm feeling very 90s today. Got on a little cardigan from Princey, asymmetrical jeans from Pretty Little Thing, and a little crop from Garage. Hey guys, I'm realizing that I forgot to close out the video, so I just wanted to close out the video with my new lashes. So my lash girl killed it again, and I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. This year has been tough, but there is so much to be thankful for. So anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video.